strawberry. Very stale though. Literally. It's been in the fridge uncovered for a month. From a birthday party. Oh shit, this might be rotten. It's cool though. It's very cool. Oh. It's making me sick actually. Yeah, that's not good. I'm surprised I'm not seeing any mold. And the only thing that's good is the frosting. This is not. It's not good at all. And I might actually go throw up. Fucking hell. Ooh. So I was hungry at 1 in the morning and I thought this would be a good idea. And now there's cake all over my phone. I'd rather eat the fucking tray than the cake. Fucking holy shit. Oh my. Yeah. I wish I ate this the day that it was, you know, made. Because now look at it. I mean, I could give this maybe to like an animal. But I would never give this to my worst enemy. So we're just gonna